Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of hair fashion with the stunning number 27 Honey Blonde Crochet Boho Locs with human hair curls, a perfect blend of style and practicality. This product features pre-looped faux goddess locks with curly ends, crafted from a unique combination of 100% human hair and synthetic locks, ensuring a natural and seamless look. One of the standout advantages of these locks is their reusability, offering no shedding or tangling, making them versatile and easy to install or remove, saving you both time and effort. Each package includes 22-inch locks in a beautiful number 27 honey blonde color, with 3 packs totaling 72 locks, which is typically enough for a full head, providing a super soft and odor-free experience. These locks are beginner-friendly, making them an excellent choice for girls, ladies, and kids alike, whether you're new to styling or a seasoned pro. Perfect for any occasion, you can wear them for daily use, parties, gatherings, or even vacations, allowing you to express your unique style effortlessly. So, if you're looking to elevate your hair game with a touch of boho chic, these crochet locks might just be the perfect addition to your hair collection. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.